I've chased the stars through endless space, always running, no resting place. The truth I sought was far and wide, but peace was waiting.